My name is George Dawes, and in this video I'm going to introduce the topic of modelling energy flexibility, explain its importance and how my PhD contributes to the challenge. First, a bit of background on who I am. I have an undergraduate degree in physics and a master's degree in energy engineering, both from the University of Sheffield. I'm a current PhD candidate at Loughborough University on the ERBE programme. Outside of my studies, I'm a keen ultimate frisbee player and a lover of plants and animals, turning my kitchen into a jungle during the lockdown period with my pet turtle Simon. My research interests focus on the digitalization of energy, including intelligent controls, modeling system dynamics, predicting energy demands, and holistically understanding city and district scale energy systems. My PhD project focuses on energy flexibility, which includes the decentralization, digitalization, and electrification of the energy we use every day. The problem that energy flexibility and my PhD attends to is the requirement to achieve net zero by 2050. Many countries are rapidly urbanizing and signing up to net zero targets to combat climate change and reduce air pollution issues in cities. The major response has been to replace high carbon fuels such as coal, gas, and petrol with more renewable sources of energy such as solar and wind power. The primary issue with these sources is that the sun doesn't shine for 24 hours and the wind doesn't blow all the time. So these intermittent sources require a certain level of system flexibility to better match supply and demand curves. There are many different ways that flexibility can be delivered, but there is limited knowledge in industry or academia of how to design flexible systems beyond the single building level. This is where my work will be important. We need to develop modeling tools to design and optimize for future flexibility scenarios in the built environment, to use energy more intelligently in our homes and businesses. This work enables the work being done by the government of how the energy system is changing. Traditionally, we've used centralized coal and gas generation to provide electricity in a single direction. With an uptake in home solar and distributed energy sources, the future system will have to operate much differently to enable renewables and empower society to participate in the energy revolution. A pilot study has been completed to prove the concept of my PhD topic. A model was developed to simulate a house with several different energy technology arrangements and different control strategies. It successfully demonstrated how white box modeling techniques can be used to control and deliver energy flexibility for a single building. The next steps in the PhD journey will be to conduct sensitivity analyses for the technology parameters, take an in-depth look at how different building types could affect flexibility, and better understand the impacts of occupancy and different control designs. I'm also fortunate enough to have industrial support from the Energy Systems Catapult and AECOM, and guidance from the International Energy Authority Work Annex 82. This area of work is very diverse, and there are still many questions which require answering, such as what systems and technologies at a local scale can be used to deliver flexibility, and does adding capital costs by adding energy flexibility bring enough benefit, and what kind of benefits? To answer such questions, I'm keen to collaborate with others in both academia and industry to tackle such broad and tricky questions. Finally, I'd like to touch on the ERBE programme and how it has supported me so far. Upon deciding where to do my PhD, I first wished to continue my work completed at master's level, which the programme has supported me with so far, whilst also affording the opportunity to learn from leading academics across different partner institutes and different sectors. It's been a great way to work with other colleagues from all over the world, and we're all constantly encouraged to make a difference as an energy leader for the future. If you're interested in energy flexibility, or on my work, or the ERBE programme in general, then I'm more than happy to speak more over a call or an email. Thanks for watching.